Okay, so the last thing that we can look at is just want to re-emphasize when it comes to looping over, and of course some of the methods or rather the functions that are defined within this data structure dictionary. So once you understand the methods and how you can apply onto different data structure, then it becomes very easy and clear that you're not going to learn everything in Python. Okay, you're not going to learn everything. Okay, so just to go back on the looping part. So after we looked at this part where we checking if a key is present or not. Okay, so we discovered that the answer was yes, it is. That means the key is there, meaning that key has a value attached to it. Okay, so now the other thing I want to do is in Python you can actually call the help and then the specific module, or rather maybe some of the inbuilt built-ins within Python, like a dictionary. Okay, so you can easily look at these files, okay, rather the functions, the classes, the object, and so on. Now when you look at this part, okay, you can simply loop over in a dictionary, and once you loop over you can have a key comma value, and of course you have to you have to look at that variable of the dictionary. Okay, so like key comma value pairs. Okay, so you can still maybe you want to look at this part contains. Okay, so you can still get into Python. So if you open another command, and let's open Python. So help, and then now dictionary dot, let me look at contains. Okay, so this so it says attribute error. So okay, so let me look at this. I think it should be like this. Okay, so this is sort of like a method. So contains returns through if the dictionary has a specified key that was false. So let's say just define a simple dictionary. So just okay, so underscore contains underscore then okay, so it says contains, so you're supposed to start with dictionary dot. Okay, so it actually returns true. Now why am I doing this? Programming is actually very bulk, and you are not going to learn everything at a go. So the most important thing is to use the help function, which gives you the specific kind of help that you want to look at. So in the bracket you say dictionary. Okay, so this is what I was telling you. So yeah, so that is basically what you need to do. So I can go back to this part, then just cancel that. Okay, so we are here. Okay, so we want to say if dictionary, okay, my dictionary dot underscore contains underscore name. Okay, so then I'm going to say print. I'm going to say hello. Then because this is a name, we can put the plus sign and then say my dictionary index that is a key, and okay, and close, and then say else print we could not find that. We could not find any name. Okay, so just make it simple. Okay, so it says we could not find any name. Now about the looping using the for loop, so you can use the for loop. So for maybe key comma v, so just to sort of just like map key for k, a value for v in my dictionary. Okay, so meaning I want to extract both the key and its pair, that is a value. So I have to now use the for loop, and within on the line of the for loop just define two variables, so that is k and v. So k will map to whatever key I have in my dictionary, and v also map at the same time to respond to the key by actually mapping to its value. So I will then just print k comma v. Okay. Okay, so the same two main values to unpack, expected 2. So what is happening for k comma v? Okay, so it's a value error. Okay, so value error. Okay, so then I can still go to use the help dictionary, and then I'm going to have some of the methods. So let me look for this method called items. Okay, so this method here, items. So now interrupt the keyboard, and then I'm going to say help, and then dictionary dot items. Okay, so what this means, help on method descriptor, so self. Okay, so this brings returns a set-like object providing a view on the dictionary items. So dictionary items, both the key and that. So in that case, I'm going to now look over. So for key comma v in my dictionary. So in my dictionary dot items, okay, then print p k comma v. Okay, so now you can see that I have something both school, Peter Boys, year 2012, district, and so on. So I can also format to save. So let me just format this by saying just after a comma and then space, I'm going to put the colon and also space, but because of that we need the comma. Okay, so something like that. Okay, so now you can see that you have separated them with a colon. So we have the colon school. Somebody is able to now read properly. So school, we have Peter Boys here, you have 2012 district, kid 1. Okay, now what about deleting something? Okay, so let me just delete DL. So my this one, how about my dictionary dot remove. So what am I removing? So removing this school. Okay, so attribute error. Okay, so attribute error, so the object is not attribute removed. Okay, what about pop? So pop, okay, so pop expected one argument, so type error. So let's say okay, so pop what? Let's pop up the school. Okay, so we have actually popped out these Peter Boys, and so let's see what is there. So you can see that we no longer have school there. Okay, then deleting, can also just say my. Okay, so this actually deletes from memory. So if I want to check now, I have an error. Okay, so name error, which means my dictionary is not defined. It will mean dick. Okay, dick. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching. Remember to follow, also like my Facebook page for more of this information. Thank you so much.